How to remove about blank page on the startup of Chrome browser on Windows. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. Now, whenever you open up Chrome browser on your Windows, if you see a blank page, here is what you can do it. So, after you open it or after you open the Chrome browser, head towards your setting by clicking on the three dot icon from the top right corner and then click on settings. Once you're on your settings page, if you navigate to your left hand side, there is this menu bar. So click on startup option from that. Here you will get to this page. So if you have chosen the third option, and now you have to click on add a new page. So in this text box that says site URL, you have to type in www.google.com and then click on add. Once you have done that, now if you go back and open up a new page in your Chrome browser, the Google page will load up in your interface. So that's how you can fix it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and do not forget to like and comment. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.